if you roll towards the cutter, you have a stand chance of pulling your finger under the cutter. Ask me how I know that. And it just totally opens up. You can see it. It actually makes a
Shark bites installed after being deburred. Plunge to the correct depth. We just finished installing the Moen flow device, which helps with leak control and also monitoring your water usage in your home. You can see that the install has the unit with electric power on it, all hooked up to the Wi-Fi and controlled by your phone. You can also now call your insurance agent to see if you can't get a break on your insurance and let them know that you got your house protected from potential leak problems. If you want to know more about this, give us a call at the Trusted Toolbox, where we can help take care of all your leak problems around your house.